Students, now we will study our next topic, torque on a bar magnet in a magnetic field. In this figure, a uniform magnetic field is represented by equidistant parallel lines. Ns is a bar magnet of length 2L and strength of each pole of the bar magnet is M. This bar magnet is held at an angle theta with the direction of magnetic field B. Now force on the north pole is MB. Because north pole is repelled by north pole, therefore north pole tends to move in this direction. Therefore this force on north pole is along B. Now force on the south pole is MB. Because south pole is attracted by north pole, therefore south pole tends to move in this direction, which is opposite to B. These forces being equal, unlike, this means they act in opposite directions, and parallel. Therefore these forces form a couple which tends to rotate the bar magnet clockwise so as to align it in the direction of magnetic field B. Draw NA perpendicular to B and SA parallel to B. Now torque acting on the bar magnet is equal to moment of couple, which is given by either force into arm of couple. Each force is MB. Arm of couple is the perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces. This force, let this force is represented by this and this force is represented by this. Line of action of these forces are these. The perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces is called arm of couple. Therefore arm of couple will be NA. Therefore either force is equal to MB, arm of couple is NA. In triangle NAS, sin थीटा is equal to NA upon NS. इस ट्रायंगल के अंदर ये थीटा है तो ये भी थीटा होगा, कोरस्पोंडिंग एंगल. sin थीटा होता है परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. परपेंडिकुलर NA है, हाइपोटेन्यूज कितना है, NS है. देयरफॉर sin थीटा is equal to NA upon NS. NS को साइड में ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, NS sin थीटा is equal to NA. Now Ns is equal to 2L, magnetic length. Therefore this is equal to 2L sin theta. In place of Na, now we will put 2L sin theta. Therefore torque is equal to MB into 2L sin theta. M2L को इकट्ठा कर लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा, M into 2L is equal to magnetic dipole moment of the bar magnet. Therefore this will be MB sin theta. Therefore torque is equal to M cross B. This is the vector form. In vector form, this equation can be written as this. Therefore, torque acting on the bar magnet in a magnetic field is given by this. If B is equal to 1, magnetic field is of unit strength, and theta is equal to 90, then sin theta will be equal to sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, torque will be M. In place of B, we put 1, and theta is equal to 90. Therefore, sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, M is equal to torque. Therefore, magnetic dipole moment is equal to torque acting on a dipole held perpendicular to uniform magnetic field of unit strength. Magnetic dipole moment is the torque acting on a dipole held perpendicular to uniform magnetic field of unit strength. Now as torque is equal to MB sin theta, therefore M is equal to tau upon B sin theta. As the unit of torque is joule, unit of magnetic field is Tesla, sin theta have no unit, therefore unit of magnetic dipole moment is joule per Tesla.